looking for some paintings to buy here. We opted for this one for authenticity. Anong pinili mo? Anong pinili mo? This one. Itong kuwan niya. Tingnan mo.
It's like this, yes.
No? Painting na oh. No? Ganun colorful masyado oh. Yan, this one. Ganun oh. Hmm?
That's a third.
Ganda. Ito, this one yun. Very nice appearing in the camera. We'll send this to our friend in the hotel. They are interested to go here. What time are you staying here? 6 o'clock. You have the better display compared to 6 o'clock daw siya.
Let's ask for the bull na.
Yung bull? O sige, let's check the bull. Thank you. Saan na yun? So we're looking for some paintings. No, so this one, the bull. Yan, gusto mo? Yeah. Bull. Ito yung gusto ni Mike.
May ano?
Oh,
How much is this?
these are 40 euro, 4,000 dinar.
Kuya mo na.
4,000 dinar, 40 euro. This
40 euro.
4,800, but the discount is 4,000. This is the first time.